What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I am going to review the Super Yields Moons. It's been a minute since last time I made a video about this project, so today is going to be the review, okay? So when I first joined the project was on the 4th of March 2023, okay? So it's been more than 15 days, right? So I am able to claim my initial deposit plus the rewards, okay? So as you can see right here, I staked 20 BUSD just to test the project out for 15 days. Okay, so I was earning 0.60 every single day. Okay, so after 15 days, I was able to redeem. Okay, so the redeem button was yellow. Okay, so I just clicked redeemed, and my capital, my initial deposit went down here, okay, because I haven't claimed anything because I literally forgot about this project. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have my capital plus my rewards, and over here we have the full breakdown. Okay, so redemption was today, as you can see right here, 20 bucks. Well, you can actually see the pledge when I staked. Okay, and then people join in the referral link, much appreciated. Okay, and then we got the rewards, and then multiplying the rewards, you can see that in total is 35 bucks. Okay, and yeah, that's that. So let's go over to the smart contract real quick, and you can see that the project has the smart contracts. Let's see how much. Remember, guys, the dev behind this project has access to the funds. Okay, this is not the right wallet. The dev behind this project has access to the funds. Okay, and this one right here, and they use part of the funds to generate yields. Okay, so as you can see right here, our mission is to bring the financial sophistication of AI managed funds to DeFi and optimize performance in complex markets. Okay, so the project pays 3% per day, right? So the smart contract currently has 3.3K inside the smart contract, and over here we can see the withdrawals, etc. Okay, buy orders, so people still going in, which is good to see. So going over to analytics, right? So I can show you how the project has been performing since its launch. Okay, going over to analytics, we can have a better picture about how the project is doing. Okay, so click on the analytics and we will be able to see a graph. Okay, and according to the graph, we can see how the project is doing. Okay, so launch was on the 28th of February. Okay, slow launch. Okay, but eventually it started to pick it up some traction. And as you can see, it has its ups and downs because people claim rewards. Okay, but at the same time, people go back in, okay, which is good to see, and seems like it's going up again, right? So nearly, so 28th of February, a month, it's more than a month now, and still up and running, which is good to see, right? So now let's go over to the good part, okay? Let's go over to claim my rewards, right? So if you want to claim your rewards, you hit withdraw. Before I hit withdraw, let me just show you how to stake. So if you haven't watched my previous video, come over here. You select the amount of BUSD that you want to stake. So for example, let's say 100 BUSD. Okay, you hit stake, you pay it, you approve, and you approve your stake, and then you deposit. Okay, so once you deposit, your stake will pop up right here, just like this one. And then after 15 days, you can redeem your stake. So that means you can claim your capital back. And then once you hit redeem, your capital will be pop up right here along with your rewards. And then once you are ready to claim your rewards, all you gotta do is hit withdraw. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna hit withdraw and I'm gonna hit max. Okay, so 35 right there. So remember, every time you withdraw, there is a 2% fee. Okay, so that's a dev fee. So MetaMask will pop up. Okay, so once MetaMask pops up, you pay the gas fee. Make sure you check the gas fee before you confirm any gas fee. Okay, MetaMask will pop up, and then once MetaMask pop up, you confirm if you're happy with everything. Once everything goes through, you should receive your BUSD in your account. Okay, so when MetaMask pops up, right? So here's the MetaMask right here. it says right here, sending BNB. So sending 0.003 BNB, which is worth 9p, okay, 9 cents. I don't understand why it's asking me to send BNB. So 7418 is this. So this is not the right smart contract, right? So it's asking me to send BNB, where is it, to this wallet right here. So let's have a quick look at this wallet and where the gas fee is asking me to send the BNB. Okay, so as you can see right here, there you go. Yeah, so let's check this transaction right here. So it happened 24 minutes ago. So it seems like it sends the BNB to this wallet and then the rest. So from DDA, so let's see if it sends 0.0003 B to this wallet, and then the other half, it might be the dev fee. And the other one, let me see. So it does a transfer, and yeah, seems like it does a transfer. So it transfers 0.01 BNB, and then the rest will go to, so from save, okay, yes, right. So it feels like it is, I still don't understand why he wants, probably it's the dev fee, but I don't understand. But yeah, seems like every transaction, yes, we can see right here the dev fee, well, the 0.003, and then the other bit. So you send the BUSD and then you receive, well, let's try it out, guys. Let's try it out and let's see what happens, okay? Because if this is a scam, you will find out by me instead of using your real funds, okay? So let's go ahead and click confirm, okay? So when you click confirm, obviously I'm using Ledger, so I'm just waiting for the transaction to pop up on the ledger. So 0.003. Now obviously on these wallets I only have 0.0039, so 1.24 BUSD. So you know, if this is a scam and it's going to drain my wallet, they're only going to drain 0.00039. As you can see right here, this is the old stable fund wallet, right? This is just a burner wallet. So just waiting for the transaction to go through. So BUSD is gone. So it's gone from here. So still pending over here. So BNB should come out from here. And then once that's done, I should be able to see the BUSD in my wallet, right? So MetaMask has been very slow lately. So as you can see, I sent 0.003. And let's see if the guy is going to send me back my funds. Okay, let me just go for the hard refresh, because usually hard refresh does the problem, right? So we're going to hit hard refresh and let's see what happens. And there you have it. So 0.003 went out of my wallets, okay? And yeah, as you can see right here, the 35 bucks is there. So if you refresh this page right now, which is the receiver wallet that's receiving the 0.003. So this is my wallet. So went from my wallet to this wallet, which is this one right here. Okay, and then this wallet sent me so if you click over here, sent me the 35 BUSD or 34.30 minus the dev fee. Yeah, 2% dev fee. And yeah, that's that, guys. So super yield moon still doing its thing, guys, still paying out, and yeah, I cannot complain. And actually I am gonna roll with it for another 35 days. So let me refresh, because my balance is $7 right there. Okay, and yeah, super yield moon still doing its thing, still paying out. So I cannot complain. I really cannot complain. So got 41 bucks right there. So we're gonna go back in. So let's go 40 bucks. So once you want to stake, you gotta stake well, you gotta prove stake, and then you pay the gas fee to approve first, and then you stake it. So you will roll for 14 days. So 14 bucks, 40 bucks times 3% equals 1.2%. 1.2%, 1.2 bucks. So in 15 days, gonna be just under 20 bucks. Okay, just under 20 bucks, and then from there I'll be able to redeem my 40 bucks. Okay, and yeah, so I'll have 40 bucks plus 20 bucks. Okay, roughly 20 bucks, and that's that, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.